What's up guys, I'm back like I never left. In this video we're going to be talking about a penny stock that ARK Invest is buying. I'm going to go over exactly what is the disruptive technology that this company is working on right now. I'm also going to go over what is the ideal price point that we can use to get involved with this company if you are interested in buying into this specific company. I'm also going to go over and cover an update on Hyliion, Tesla, and NIO stock, and we also going to cover what is an important economic report that we need to pay attention to for tomorrow that can significantly affect the stock market. So all this important information coming up. All right, before we get into the video, I would really appreciate if you guys can hit the like button, and if you have any questions or any comments, drop it in the comment section below. As you can see over here today, we have a relatively down day. It is really good to see because in the past 2 days, we've been having a significant pull to the upside. We've been pushing higher and higher. So it's a positive thing to look at a slight dip today that we have. The range was not that much of a drastic or something to panic about because the majority of the companies are only down minus 9.2%. As you see, Amazon, Apple only down minus 0.76%. Microsoft only down minus 1.04%. So it is just a slight dip that we saw, which is really good because this is the kind of move that we expect. The stock market can push up higher, and then we have a slight dip like days like this with a small minor range sell-off that happened. Also, we are expecting to see if there's going to be positive news coming out within the next few days or weeks. If they can pass the stimulus package, we talked about it yesterday. If they're able to pass it, that is going to really help stimulate the stock market to go higher. When people have a lot of money to spend, the companies also benefit, and also the stock market definitely going to gap higher if we have a stimulus package passed. And now let's talk about what is going to be the major updates that we have for today. The first company that we're going to be looking at is going to be NIO. As you can see, NIO is about to make a new 52-week high. It's up 10.85%. We've been talking about this company has really great potential for the upcoming years to come, and right now it's probably going to make a new 52-week high because they have their numbers coming out pretty soon, the Q3 numbers, and also we have analysts coming out and saying that their cars are positive. And we covered in the past that this company, the majority of the analysts, 54% of the analysts, is considering the stock as a buy right now. And they're saying more positive things about it. As you see over here, they're saying the cars are actually pretty good. I agree with them. Their vehicles are fantastic. And we expect their delivery numbers to come out for Q3. And they're expected to be around 11,000. So if they beat that number, we can definitely expect the stock to spike up higher and break out and make a new 52-week high above $21.12 52-week high price point that we saw a few weeks ago. So that is great if you're somebody that's holding and invested in NIO stock. So now let's talk about the second company. The second company we're going to go over is going to be Hyliion, which is going to be ticker symbol SHLL. It's going to be changing to HYLN in a few days. So tomorrow they have an important vote that they're going to be having. We know the merger has been approved. That is set and done, but there is one proposal that did not pass.
So Tortoise is going to leave voting open on just this one proposal until Wednesday at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. So my ask of all of you is, if you haven't yet voted and you're a Shell shareholder, please go cast your vote. I'm extremely thrilled and looking forward to being able to start trading as HYLN later this week.
We'll see how the stock pays after the vote tomorrow, but as you can see today, it's up 11.48%. Our price target for this company, the minimum price is to make a 52-week high, which is above the $58.66. So our first price target is going to be a little bit above $60, and a lot of people are expecting the stock to even go higher, go to $70, $60, and $100. So we'll see if that's going to be possible within the next few weeks to come, if there's going to be more positive news coming out, and if the CEO says more detailed information about some of the partnership that this company is getting. So that is going to definitely drive the stock up to the upside. Now, the other EV company that we're going to be talking about is going to be Tesla. We have a positive news that came out today, even though the stock price was actually down. It closed red. As you can see over here, it's down minus 0.51%. After hours is down minus 0.04%, but it definitely recovered from the sell-off that happened because of the battery day, and it bounced back up higher. But the main news that came out for Tesla stock is that Walmart increased the number of vehicles that they ordered. That is great to see, because if there's more orders, then other companies are going to be also likely going to be motivated to order these semi-vehicle trucks from Tesla. So that is a fantastic for Tesla shareholders in the future. That is phenomenal. Now let's talk about the penny stock that ARK Invest is buying. The ticker symbol is going to be NNDM. It's Nano Dimensions. We're going to go watch a quick introduction video about the company and what they're all about. Let's check it out.
The electronics market is growing exponentially, but companies in the space increasingly face design and manufacturing challenges that slow product innovation and reduce profitability. Nano Dimension is a true game changer in the advanced manufacturing field, bringing the benefits of additive manufacturing to electronics professionals. Through a combination of research, innovation, and sheer determination, Nano Dimension has developed a revolutionary solution for electronics professionals that combine our unique award-winning 3D inkjet technology, 3D software, and high-performance nanomaterials. This unbeatable combination has gained recognition and praise from some of the world's leading companies. Our Dragonfly 2020 3D printer is capable of depositing both electrically conductive and insulating materials, enabling designers and engineers to print fully functional electronics in-house in one print job. Companies are already using this multi-material solution to bring speed and efficiency to their development and manufacturing processes, reduce lead times and cost, and create opportunities for design innovation. It's a new revolution. Just like 3D printing has earned its position as one of the most exciting technologies to come to market in the last decade, 3D printing electronics is the next giant leap forward. Our technology and advanced materials can also help in building non-standard electronics and fully functional parts, opening the door to a world of new and exciting possibilities in electronics design and production. So print yourself a smarter and brighter future with Nano Dimension.
As you can see here on the video, so this company has definitely huge potential for the future because their technology can definitely be used in producing some great electronics, and that is fantastic. So when you look at the share outstanding for this company, there's only 30.61 million shares available, and we saw that ARK holds more than 200 shares of it. That is fantastic. And also the share of the float that is being shorted is 33.93%. So that is an important metric that we need to look at, specifically if the stock price significantly goes higher, the shorts can potentially be able to get squeezed, and that can drive the stock price even higher. But the overall general sentiment of the stock is to the downside. Just like the float of workhorse stock, there's a lot of short sellers above 20%. Now, this company has even more short sellers, so they are definitely betting against the company to not be successful in the future. But ARK Invest, seeing there's a potential, they know their horizon for ARK Invest is for 5 years. So within their 5-year period, they believe that this company can definitely be successful. That's why they are buying in it right now. And also, as you can see over here, the ETF that they're holding this company is going to be arkq, and that is at the bottom. So that is their 39th stock position. They hold only 205,000 shares, and they bought it. They start adding yesterday. So they hold this company in the past, but they added more shares on yesterday too. So if you're somebody that wants to get involved in this company, make sure that you have a set plan. And if you want to hold it for a certain amount of time, if you want to hold it for like a few years, or if you have a price target that you have set for yourself, if you just want to ride the hype that the company has, because today, as you can see, it's up 34.81%, and ARK bought it yesterday, so they're already up significantly. And you can definitely use the price point of approximately $1.96 area as a support, and that is going to be, if it goes below that price point, you can definitely sell off, but you can definitely risk that price point and get involved in it. And your first price target is going to be eventually to above the $2.50 area. And if you want to hold it, if you believe the company is going to go higher in the future, you can just have just minor shares, like 100 shares, 200 shares. If you want to load it up, you can definitely keep buying it if it starts to sell off to the downside. That is going to be the plan. If if you want to start investing in, because right now you never know, because it's been on a downtrend, but it looks like it just broke out. So that is going to be one of the important things that we need to look at right now. So also the CEO has been buying this stock. That's going to be for this company. Now let's talk about what are the important economic reports that we need to pay attention to for tomorrow. At 8:15 a.m. we got the ADP employment report. This is going to be for the period of September. The previous was 428,000. Also at 8:30 a.m. we got the GDP revision. This is going to be for Q2. The previous was negative 31.7%, and the forecast is minus 31.7. At 9:45 a.m. we got the Chicago PMI. That's going to be for the period of September. The previous was 51.2. Also at 10 a.m. we got the pending home sales index. It's going to be for the month of August. The previous was 5.9%. At 11 a.m. we got the Fed president. At 11 a.m. we got the Minneapolis Fed president. NIO is going to be speaking. And at 1:40 p.m. we got the Fed governor Michelle Baumann is going to be speaking too. So all these times that I mentioned is going to be Eastern Standard Time. So make sure you pay attention to these economic reports. They can affect the stock market either to the upside or to the downside. Of course, the stimulus package is going to be the most important thing that we need to pay attention to. That's going to be for this video. Make sure you have a solid plan before you get involved in any of these companies that we talk about in this video. Make sure you manage your risk. And if you have any questions, any comments, make sure you drop in the comment section below. If you want to join the Discord chat, support the channel, there's going to be links available in the description box below. Catch you guys on tomorrow's video. Let's get it. Have a wonderful day.